See, the example is find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is 2x square minus 3x is first one mentioned strictly increasing, second one mentioned strictly decreasing function. Means we have to calculate the points. Earlier the example is in the form of they are given points and we are verifying the strictly increasing and decreasing. Now it is here given the function is strictly increasing and decreasing in which points? That point we have to calculate. Okay, solution. Given function f of x is 2x square minus 3x. This is 1. Do the differentiation. dy by dx. This is 2. X square is 2x minus 3x is 1. 4x minus 3. Correct. This is dy by dx. But very first step is we have to calculate the critical points. While for increasing and decreasing we have to verify in which point it is constant or stationary. In that point we can verify the function is increasing or decreasing. Therefore, for dy by dx equal to 0, we will get 4x minus 3 equal to 0. 4x is 3, x is 3 by 4. Means if I substitute x is 3 by 4, the function, if you substitute x is 3 by 4, we will get dy by dx should be 0. Means we will get critical point. And after knowing that critical point, just I will tell you, see, at x equal to 3 by 4, this is a critical point. Okay. Now we can calculate the where the function increases or decreases. See, this is x equal to 3 by 4. We will get here in the real number system minus infinity and plus infinity. We are not taking 3 by 4. In between that point we are using minus infinity to 3 by 4 and next 3 by 4 to plus infinity. And we have to verify. Okay. In this way we can calculate the points. For that I will tell you how. This is intervals. Okay. Next, f dash of x or dy by dx, both are similar. F dash of x or dy by dx. Next, nature of function. Where the function is increases or decreases. How many number of points there exist? See, we have to take, there are 2 points. In between this is a critical point. Okay. In that critical point only we have to calculate the points. Minus infinity to 3 by 4. Next point is 3 by 4 to infinity. First point is minus infinity to 3 by 4. Next point is 3 by 4 to. Okay. But we are not taking 3 by 4. 3 by 4 if we substitute we get it is 0. The dy by dx should be stationary. But in between that points we have to see minus infinity to 3 by 4. Okay. What is the value of 3 by minus 0 if I say minus infinity to 3 by 4 in between, just I check minus infinity to 3 by 4. Okay. What is our f dash of x or dy by dx? Dy by dx is 4x minus 3. In this case, in between point if I take x is 0 because it exists in the left hand side. Correct. This is our assumption, this is verification. Okay. We are not taking this one is in the answer, but we have to verify. In between that point, if I take x is 0, we get dy by dx 4 into 0 minus 3. We get this minus 3. It's here dy by dx less than 0 because minus 3. Okay, therefore we can say that here f dash of x less than 0 or dy by dx less than 0. Means if it is less than 0, we say that the nature of function is strictly decreasing. Okay. Next, 3 by 4 to infinity. Okay. Next I will take 3 by 4 to infinity. More than that. 3 by 4 to infinity. I will take better 1. In between points you can take any number of points, but I will take x is 1. If I take x is 1, what we will see, just concentrate. 4 into 1 minus 3, 4 minus 3 will get 1. Means it is a positive, dy by x is positive. Means we can write f dash of x is greater than 0. Means if f dash of x greater than 0 or dy by x is positive, means it is strictly what? Increasing. Okay. Please remember that in this way we can calculate. The example pattern is, see, first take f of x, do the differentiation, next calculate the critical point, and in that critical point, that one we are applying the real number system, that is minus infinity to plus infinity. Therefore, how many number of points are exist? 2 points are exist. One is minus infinity to 3 by 4 and next point is 3 by 4 to infinity. In that we have to verify if the function is increasing or decreasing. For that we have to apply on this table, construct intervals, function and nature of function. Okay, intervals minus infinity to 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 to infinity. Then verify for f dash of x. If you substitute in between that point, you will get less than 0. Less than 0 means naturally the nature of function is strictly decreasing. 3 by 4 to infinity, f dash of x more than 0. More than 0 means strictly decreasing. Okay, in this way we can do the example. And this type of examples are asked in the exam for 3 marks question. Remember it. 3 marks question. Means either they will ask tangents and normal or this question, anyone. If they ask tangents and normals, they will not ask increasing and decreasing function. If they ask increasing and decreasing function, they will not ask tangent. Means these are the option for. Next example, I will take another one similar type, but I will give only function. But we have to verify the function f of x is x squared plus 2x minus 5. Mentioned here. Find the intervals. Find the intervals in which the function f of x is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. What we have done the previous example. Similar. Okay. For that, first step is do the differentiation. F dash of x or dy by dx, both are similar. X per differential is 2x plus 2. X differential is 1 minus 0. Constant differentiation. Therefore, f dash of x equal to 2x plus 2. Very first step, calculate critical point. That is f dash of x is 0. Okay, 2x plus 2 equal to 0. 2x is minus 2 because of equal. X is minus 2 by 2. X will get minus 2. And how to calculate the intervals? Given x is minus 1. Okay. And here minus infinity. It is plus. Okay. Therefore, you can construct the table for that. Intervals. Okay. Next, f dash of x. Next, nature of function. Okay. First point, minus infinity to minus 1. Second point, 1 minus 1 to infinity. Okay. And verify. What is given f dash of x? F dash of x is 2x plus, if x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1, if x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1, means the in between point I will take minus 2, if x is minus 2, because in between the middle value between minus into minus 1 we can take minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 like that. Therefore, we are considering it is minus 2. Then f dash of x, what is f dash of x? See, 2 minus 2 plus 2. We get minus 4 plus 2. We get minus 2. Means f dash of x is less than 0. means here f dash of x is less than 0, means it is strictly what? Decreasing. Less than means it is decreasing, strictly decreasing. Okay, next similarly, if x belongs to minus 1 comma infinity, x belongs to minus 1 comma infinity, in between towards right side means if I take x is 0, we get f dash of x, okay, 2x plus 2, 2x is 0, we get 2, means f dash of x is more than 0, correct, we get the point, f dash of x is more than 0, means strictly what? Increasing. Okay, in this way we can do the example. Very first step is do the differentiation, next calculate the intervals, afterwards apply the real number system, minus infinity to plus infinity, and how many number of points? Minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to plus infinity, these 2 points are exist. And next calculate f dash of x. Okay, if f dash of x less than 0, nature of function is strictly decreasing, greater than 0 strictly increasing, and that one we can calculate by applying the points. Okay, next point is mentioned, f of x is sin x plus cos x, f of x is sin x plus cos x, and mentioned 0 less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 2 pi, the points is given. Okay, 0 to 2 pi. If the points is given, we have to take points. If the points are not mentioned, better we have to take what it is, minus infinity to plus infinity. Remember that. Usually they will give point in the trigonometric function. Okay, here also say find the what? Intervals. Find the intervals in which the function is where it increases and decreases. Okay, very first step, calculate f dash of x, differentiation, sin x differentiation, cos x differentiation, minus sin x. And next step is calculation of critical points. Okay, next f dash of x is 0, cos x minus sin x is 0. Okay, then cos x equal to sin x, then 1 equal to sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x. Tan x is 1. When it is 1, tan 45. Therefore, we get x is pi by 4. Therefore, the critical point is we got the value is pi by 4. Okay. But intervals are mentioned here 0 to 2 pi, and verify where 45 exists. See, the 45 exists in 0 to 2 pi. One possibility is pi by 4. Okay. Another possibility is 3 pi by 4. Why we are taking these two? See, tan 45 is 1. Tan 3 pi by 4 if I take, just concentrate, tan 3 pi by 4 if I take, tan of pi minus pi by 4. Okay, we'll get 3 pi by 4 according to ASTC rule. We'll get the value. Therefore, we can apply 0 to pi by 4. Next, pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 to okay. Next, calculation. What? Intervals. Okay. Next, f dash of x we have to verify. Next, nature of function. See, interval first 0 to pi by 4. First interval. Second interval pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Third. Third, 3 pi by 4 to 2 pi. 3 pi by 4 to 2 pi. These are the intervals. Okay. And verify 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. See, 0 to pi by according to A, S, T, C, U. 0 to pi by 4 means it lies in the first quadrant. First quadrant all are close to. Therefore, we can say that it is f dash of x greater than 0. Therefore, it is strictly increasing. Okay. Next, pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Okay. Pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. 135. Okay, in between that, see, cos is negative. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. We will get the which value? Negative value only. Therefore, this is f dash of x is less than 0. Therefore, it is strictly decreasing. Understood? Here, sin is negative, cos is negative. Negative minus negative, what will it is? Negative. Next. 3 pi by 4 to this 3 pi by 4 to 2 form. In this form, of course, just concentrate 3 pi by 4 to 2 pi. In between, if I take points, here it is positive, but sign is negative. Plus minus again will get negative. If you want any point, you will get it is any one point you can consider. You get f dash of x is less than 0. Therefore, it is strictly decreasing. Okay, if you want, you can verify. Okay. Next, review example homework. That is f of x is 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. F of x is log x. Please remember that you can write within one step. Log x is always a which type of function? Increasing functions. These are the examples based on increasing and decreasing